guys, in this video we're going to make an assembly of the mallet handle. We're going to make a new assembly file, and I'll show you this way to do it. So if you do an assembly from this window, you want to make sure you select just a standard assembly as opposed to a weldment assembly, and you'll create that. Our parts. So I'm going to place, let's see if I can place both at the same time. So I'm just holding down shift and selecting both, and seeing if I can put both in at the same time. Sure, not if I was able to do that. That's cool. So that kind of speeds that up. All right, so I need to get the mallet handle inside the mallet head, and so I'm going to do that through a constraint. And I'm going to change it here. Instead of doing a type mate constraint or flush, I'm going to do a insert constraint. Insert the threaded end of my mallet handle into the mallet head hole. I can find that hole. There it is. And apply. And there we have it. We have our mallet ready to use on our pegboard toy. So I'll save this, and we'll call this just the mallet. The mallet I'm going to just put into my pegboard toy assembly. Let me make those separate. So what I'm going to make is an assembly within an assembly. It's called nesting an assembly. I'm going to make a new assembly. And I'm going to place now my mallet assembly, my pegboard toy assembly. So I'm going to click on my mallet here, and then hold down shift and click on my pegboard toy too. And click. And voila, I have my my setup here. I have my pegboard, I have my mallet, and done with the building of this. If I wanted to, I could color some more of the parts. You'll notice when you nest assemblies within assemblies, I am no longer able to move the parts of the pegboard toy. So move up and down like before. So just kind of be aware of that. You have to be happy with where that is when you make an assembly with an assembly. I could have just as easily put my mallet inside of the assembly of my pegboard too. Save this, and I'll save it final pegboard toy assembly. Save it. Okay. Up to this point, this is great. You should be, getting pretty decent at modeling. And next up, talk about how we can make orthographic and isometric drawings using Autodesk Inventor.